Is top notch. Look at how that comes out. Isn't that cool? In this video, I'm gonna unbox Tiffany Perfume. Company Perfume, which came out in 2017. My name is Christian Onanian, fragrance lover since '96. On this channel, we talk about all things fragrances related. We also do live reactions where we ask people what they think. If this is the type of content you like, consider subscribing. Tiffany and Company Perfume, beautiful diamond-shaped bottle with real silver band around it. Very expensive price. Tiffany, the jeweler, sells rare, well, all types of expensive from the world's finest jewelry. Do they make the world's finest fragrances? We're about to find out. This is the 2.5 ounce bottle seen in the department stores for $132 US plus tax. Found on the internet, probably just under $100. Amazon links down below. Is it a powerful musk? It could be, but it's more like a powerful light musk. Kind of odd, huh? Mandarin, orange, black currant, lemon, iris, peach, rose are some of the notes inside here. Citrus floral scent with a synthetic musk background. If you like Chanel Gabrielle and that type of DNA background, you might like this. I do not recommend it for blind buy whatsoever. It's a very complicated, specific fragrance for specific people. It is very well made. It does give you 5 to 6 hours longevity. It opens up with a fruity vibe with just a touch, a hint of peach, and then you have the black currant. Get the synthetic black currant. It's a very well made musk perfume, kind of animalistic. The sprayer, when you take the cap off, by the way, here's the cap. The sprayer is top notch. Look at how that comes out. Isn't that cool? Oh my God. It does smell good, but it's for specific people, for specific occasions. I think any age group could pull this off. Mid-20s for sure, not anything younger than that. But did you see that sprayer? It just comes out perfectly so you can lightly mist a large area of space. That's beautiful how the sprayer works. Top-notch, high-quality sprayer on this for sure. Have you ever woke up one morning and it's damp outside? Maybe it's like the April or Easter, and it's not cold, it's not hot, and you kind of smell the fresh, it just rain type weather, and it's kind of, the sun is coming up and it's just so comfortable and cozy. This is what it makes you feel like. I asked a fragrance perfumista girl what she thought of it. She curled her nose up and said, "Oh, that's for older ladies." This woman was 40 years old. It's a white crystally musk with a hint of patchouli, which gives it depth. What you smell after it dries in 5 minutes is it. There's no more development. It just stays like that for 5 hours. So all in all, it's a simple, aquatic, bright, floral type synthetic musk. Great for everyday wear. Again, it's a very specific fragrance for specific occasions. Do I recommend it? Yes. But remember, do your homework, get a sample, and try it out. Question of the day is, do you still like vintage smelling women's fragrances? Comment down below your favorite one.